Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import contacts into Constant Contact. Now, first up, just go ahead over to contacts in here in the left panel. Now click on all contacts. All right. Now at the top right, we have the add contact button. Just click on it. Now in here, as you can see, you can easily sync with an integration or another application or web service. For example, Google Contacts, Microsoft 365 Contacts, Neon, like so, Wix, Shopify, and some other options. Okay. Now, if you do have a CSV file, you can go ahead and easily import your CSV from here or Excel file. Okay. If you just want to add a single contact, well, as you can see here, you can just go ahead and click on this blue button. All right. Just click on it. Now in here, add the email address. For example, mysampleemail.com or at gmail.com, like so. Add the SMS number and then tick on I have permissions to SMS message this contact, and I have permissions to email this contact, which is required. First name, maybe Jane Smith. All right. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and add this contact to a list right here. Just select a list, and once done, you're good to go. All right. If you want to add in some tags for this particular contact, go ahead and do so. Click on the drop down right here. And if you're wondering how to make some tags in Constant Contact or how to make a list, well, just go ahead and look it up in the channel. We have a ton of videos teaching how to use Constant Contact. All right. So I'm just going to leave this one right here and hit on save. All right. As you can see here, it says contact successfully saved. Now, again, if you want to upload a CSV or Excel file in here, click on import, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, click on upload and select the CSV or Excel. All right. Hit on open, wait for it to load. And once done, just hit on continue and follow the simple prompts. And after that, you're good to go. And that's how easy it is to import contacts here in Constant Contact. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.